Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to create an Amazon account on your phone. So the first step is download the Amazon application, and after that you need to go to the Amazon application, and now you need to pick here in create an account. You pick here, and you need to put your name, your phone number or email, and create a password. So you put here that name, for example, you put here your email, put here and create a password. So you can create a password. And you put here in verify email. You need to wait a few minutes, and after that you need to put here the code they send to you to this email, and you put here in create Amazon account, and that's it. You create your Amazon account. So when you create the Amazon account, you need to choose like the direction of for Amazon send to you the package you buy, for example, or configure your email, your profile for more security. But that's it. That's the process. You put here in create your Amazon account, and you complete the process. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.